Good Girl have sponsorship! You guys, we're moving on up!
ZOESHAAA.
Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl and welcome back to my channel. Going out to eat and I decided to take you guys along with me. I haven't vlogged since Thanksgiving. Goody was tired. I'm catching up on sleep and all these things. But we're gonna meet up with some YouTubers. I'm really excited because I feel like the first girl I'm about to pick up, I feel like me and her should have met a long, like not met because we've met already, but I feel like we should have linked up a long time ago. However, anyways, nothing happens before it's time. So yeah, gonna go link up with her and then we're gonna go pick up another YouTuber. Me and this YouTuber were supposed to meet back when I was in Jamaica, but you know, she works for Treasure Beach. She's booked and busy, so like our schedules just did not align with one another, and yeah, I wasn't sure when I was leaving and all of that kind of stuff, so it was kind of hard to make tentative dates and times and stuff in regards to availability and stuff like that. So I'm gonna pick up everybody and we're gonna go eat food because nothing brings people together like food. And good girls hungry, me head a hurt me. Just buy one tea, come head a hurt me. I'm gonna drink tea from man, I'm eat late, cause I just at work, I'm up on the road, be a things. And yeah, so that is what I'm doing right now. So when I get everybody, I will come back so everybody can say howdy. And I'll take you guys on our little date. But it's keeping, why is there so much traffic on the road? I don't understand what is carrying on in Canada. Everywhere you go, every road you go, construction. Every single road, one lane, no lane, half a lane. Excuse me, gas. Quarter lane. Excuse me, gas. People, the TRR. Woo! Yes, the TRR. I want my headache for go away. People, like, my head did hurt me today so bad to the point that I had to, like, literally pull off my wig, like, halfway on my head. Like, all I needed was a headband to turn it into a headband wig. But yeah, when we get out, I will show you guys my outfit because Goody look good today. Me come out right out. I came right out today, girl. Yeah, I come right out today. I look like somebody rich auntie. All of my nieces would be so proud to call me Auntie Zoe today. So yeah, I am almost at my first destination, and the other candidate that we are going to meet, she just left out, so it's gonna take her a few to reach where we need to, the next meetup pickup spot, and then yeah, we'll be on our journey. Super excited. So we'll soon link on the back. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so reached my destination finally.
Come on the tripod and the camera. Tripod.
Yeah, now introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tajio, aka T from 17.
Yes.
Toronto.
Yes.
ZOESHAAA.
Yes.
We both have husbands. We married.
Me never say get up a file. Me say
Good body girls get sick way.
yeah, right true.
Monday we open
Huh? Oh, thank you. Stop. I tried. Oh, we're leaving? Okay. Be right back, guys.
The seats are
So yeah, guys, we moved now. Oh my God, now we can't eat. No, we can't eat. But yeah, as she was saying,
yeah,
YouTuber one.
good body girl.
YouTuber. Everyone knows this face. Nobody not. Everybody knows. At least 50.
This girl is so
50K. You see, same thing them saying in my comments.
Listen, if you guys don't know me, I'm Anisha Adams. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Anisha.Adams or YouTube Anisha Adams. I make Jamaican-based lifestyle videos.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see my life in Jamaica, because I moved back to Jamaica. If you guys want to see Jamaican-based hair recommendation, makeup, home decor for
you don't want to know about Treasure Beach, she is the one. Hello, the amount of video I see you on Treasure Beach. Every weekend you got a Treasure Beach. She's the mayor for Treasure Beach.
Right, guys. Ladies know how to vlog. I'm trying to
so funny. So we're at Chop. Whoa. Okay. Yes. So we're at Chop. And we're at Chop. Link up, you know, as I said. It was supposed to happen a long time ago.
Alright, so initially we came here. They wanted to see.
I'm not gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat and I'll come back, okay?
They wanted to see us.
Okay, yeah, girl, that's a little bit better. Yeah, it's a little bit better, yeah. So we're here, yeah, we're here chilling and stuff, yeah. You know, out and about. I want to show y'all my outfit. Like, a bitch looks good, but I have to put this outfit on again and take pictures in the daytime because, baby, yeah. If my belly don't look bad.
Tomorrow's my content day for photos.
Hell, yeah. Good in.
Period. Literally.
It's
Okay,
fun,
so
everybody.
that was for ZOESHAAA. We seen me post a few videos.
I've been up to anything. I'm trying to get my life back in order. I was in Jamaica for 6 months, but come back. I'm trying to like get back on schedule, literally.
That's good.
That is it. Yeah, try to figure out life.
So are we gonna see more videos?
Right now I should be uploading every Wednesday and Sunday, but when you catch me, you catch me. But I have so many.
Yellow paper in the comments.
Listen, I know, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm trying. I'm trying, you guys. You guys know I'm trying. Listen, but it's not your full-time job.
Cheers to actually doing YouTube, making it happen. Ooh, let me hide my fingernails.
Girl. Yes.
1, 2.
Clink, 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 clink.
Cheers to meeting up for the first time. Okay, so we have this is sangria. It kind of still has a fizzy taste to it. So I don't know what type of water they're using here, but it still has like a fizzy like pop taste to it.
They probably added. They probably mixed it with something.
Yeah, sangrias don't have this like fizzy pop taste. That's
just my with drink, bro.
Yeah, I think so.
My girl was like fucking.
But anyways, so you guys have. I noticed that you guys love ZOESHAA's Jamaica vlogs.
Oh.
I love them too.
Well, sorry, go no, cause them soon done.
Oh no! What does that mean?
I don't.
Between the lines.
So they're coming to Jamaica, you guys. They're coming.
Yeah. So if you guys want to stay up to Jamaica vlogs, you guys can watch my channel since she's not gonna really post for a while. She said.
Yeah.
For Jamaica vlogs, she still does vlogs here in Toronto and I heard you had a gathering at your house. Did you vlog it?
Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I got what I could. After cooking for so many hours.
Oh my god, you're the one who cooked?
Yeah.
Follow me on Instagram at His Only Princess. I have a joint channel with my husband, Tev. He's from Jamaica. If you want to come over to my channel.
Not
he
this.
recently
Go over
migrated.
to her channel. You guys know anybody that I like put on my vlogs? Like, you guys know anybody that I put on my vlogs? Like, it's a vibe. So
and then my channel, aaaaand.
everybody knows she. Everybody knows.
And if you guys want to see like the second and third part to this vlog, you guys can go on her channel and then go on my channel to see the vlog.
Yeah.
Mine will be under the Toronto vlog if anyone's interested. So we're here waiting for the food. We got steak.
We all got steak.
Yeah. Yeah, we all got.
We all got steak. Yeah. Nobody got nothing different.
Yeah, she got you got filet. I said the sirloin. I don't know how to pronounce them. Sirloin. I don't know how to pronounce them.
The sirloin.
Sirloin. There we go. I'm saying
country bumpkin.
I told her that I was like, I'm a country bumpkin when I asked for a well done steak. I told them that.
Yo, not even that, but yo, when country people go out for like the first time, they want out of everything with them don't know how to pronounce. Everything with them can't pronounce.
Opposite. Now I don't know women don't know.
Anyways, people.
Oh, you're done your drink.
Yeah. Good body.
You're trying not to done mine.
I never want to water though.
Oh, I didn't even get to show. Here we are now. I didn't even get to show you guys the drink, but here it is. Practically iced now. Follow on Instagram. It was so pretty, yeah. Everything in the description box are up on the screen. Like, I'm not going to say you don't know how to find me. You can't find me.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Sunday. Welcome to Sunday. I did not get to finish off the vlog yesterday. As you can see, I still have on my makeup. You can't really see, it's really bright. I need to adjust the camera settings, but anyways, yeah, I did not get to finish off the vlog yesterday. I did bring an extra battery, but I left it in the car, and it was way too cold for me to be running out to come back. And I had the biggest headache because, as you guys know, I'm just always going. I don't really have like a schedule like in the morning, like where I say, all right, I'm gonna eat breakfast or eat lunch at this time. No, like I remember when my head or something starts to hurt me or when I start to feel bad, like, you know. So Friday night I was up doing a last minute order. I did not even want to assemble the stuff, but I was just like, I know Saturday morning I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna be extremely tired to do assembly plus take pictures and then deliver it. So I'm just like, let me finish it off, which I did pretty fast. So that wasn't bad, but whatchamacallit, sorry, I had the air on if you guys were hearing it, but I did that, went, dropped it off, and then I went on the road to go find something to wear to go out last night to meet the girls. And yeah, like I had to buy food on the road or whatever because my head was hurting me. By that time it was way too late. I was trying to drink tea, bust the gas, was working a little bit but just not as fast or whatever. But when we reached the restaurant, ooh, and then I drove, so like, oh god, you know. But yeah, apart from that, it was amazing. Such good vibes, great conversation, you know, just about life in general, YouTube, everything under the sun. Really cool. As I think I mentioned it, me and Anisha were supposed to link up back in Jamaica when I was there, but our schedules just weren't meshing with each other, so it didn't end up happening. But it ended up happening in the country of our birth, so so that was really good. I'm really grateful that we had the chance to meet while she was here visiting, and I'm so grateful that I was able to meet with T as well, somebody else that's local. Like, I want to find people that are local that I can, you know, just vibe with, collab with every now and again and stuff like that. Like, I don't want to have to always do things by myself, which there's nothing wrong with that, but it's nice to, you know, meet people that are into the same things that you're into. Again, as I said, local, because especially in Canada, like, I don't feel like in regards to like influencing and social media and stuff like that, like just in our area, like blacks and stuff like that, like there's not really a lot of us. And I was talking about it yesterday at dinner that, like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if the guys are the same way, but Toronto just has this thing where nobody really likes to deal with people who are in better positions than them, if that makes a sense. Like, nobody, a lot of people, I'm not gonna say nobody, a lot of people here, like when they have a few thousand subscribe or followers or supporters behind them, they get this chip, like, is this hypeness that comes in. It's just like they forgot that they were somebody yesterday, and that, you know, like, life can humble you. Like, you could be on top today and on the bottom tomorrow. So I don't know why it's so hard for people to just come together and work together and make moves together, like everybody can win. I don't understand it. And you have the people who preach it the most who do not follow what it is that they're saying. Like I always say, I'm always open to meeting people, trying new things, working with different people, because you just never know. You know what I mean? You just never know. So that was really good. And yeah, so I am right now in the car about to head to Michael's. I need to pick up some material to finish the flower wall finally a month later. Y'all, I hate that. I've never hated a project before. I hate the flower wall. Like, I hate it. Absolutely hate it. But finally gonna finish it and drop it off today. So that's great for me. But I have to finish the personalization on it. So I need to go pick up some paper because I thought I had the paper at home, but I don't. Well, I probably do, but I was packing and putting stuff away. I can't find anything. I couldn't find my bus pass. I can't find my laundry card. I can't find nothing. So I really need to clean up. But I have to do that. I have to pick up that, and then I'm gonna drop that off and then go pick up something to cook. Because today is Sunday, so I'm gonna need to make dinner and lunch, hopefully for like the week. And what else? I got another last minute order coming up for this Friday, so I need to go pick up the materials for that. And then if I feel like it, I need to edit a video because it's been about a week now since I've uploaded anything on my channel, or 2 weeks almost. Anyways, I need to edit a video, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. And then maybe possibly drop off an order. Maybe possibly drop off an order. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So as me did say, so why didn't you just make me start the right way? So you think that. Anyways, people.
I know what you cook this evening.
I'm all right now, I just don't company. Nobody will stress me, nobody will call me. Anytime you honey, you can swing your pussy for me.
Oh, you company. Fuck me from time to time, but you don't own me. Me no belong to you.
That's all I do, I just company. Alright guys, made it to Michael's. First stop. Pause Tamar. Tamar. Hey guys, so later on in the day, 2:53 now. I'm about to go and drop off the flower wall. That's it. I'm gonna go drop that off, and then I'm going to go and take my passport pictures because my passport has expired, and I'm gonna need my passport for anything. Last time when I had to renew my passport expired for months on months. And when my grandfather passed away, I had to rush and go do my passport. So I don't want that to reach me again. So I'm just gonna go do it now that I know that it's expired. It expired September 28th. So yeah. And it's October 17th? Yes, it's October 17th. Wow, the year is done, people. So yeah, I'm on the road right now. I'm actually on the highway. About to go and drop this order off, and then go and take my passport pictures, and then go get something to eat, and then I really might have to go and drop off that next order, which I'm dreading because it's super far away. Far enough. Like, I just don't want to drive on the highway to go do that. Like, anybody got time to do that right now, but gotta do what I gotta do. The girl that needs it is going to be not pregnant soon. She's gonna have her baby soon, so she kind of wants to distribute her stuff. And her maid of honor was at my house last weekend, and drunk and ton fool couldn't remember, so she have things to pick up and stuff like that. So I might just go drop it off, because next thing you know, you hear say, I have the people them things sit on it for how long I'm gonna put them things and I'm gonna want to hear that. So I'm just gonna go into that and yeah, figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner, because I still gotta do all of that too. And yeah, luckily for myself, like personal wise, I don't really have nothing to do. I just need to remember to text my boss to let him know I'm gonna be late tomorrow, because the passport place opens at the same time that my office should be opening. That's about it for now. If there's a little bit, well, depending on how the rest of the day goes, I will take you guys along if there's anything to see. And yeah, I hate taking passport pictures because I'm just like, bro, this is how I'm gonna have to look at my passport for the next 10 years. If I renew it for 10 years, which I might as well, because I think it's $160 for 10 years and $90 for 5. Might as well pay the extra. I don't have to see these people back again for another 10 years or whatever, right? So, there's the motive right now. Y'all want to see Toronto? I have made it to my destination. I'm about to drop off the orders, and because I took a little bit long with her order, I made her some so yeah guys, as I was saying, I made her some customized hand sanitizer bottles. Just for being patient, even though I feel like a month, 3 to 4 weeks was a good time for this project because it took a lot of time. So yeah, so went to Michael's, did a quick stop at the dollar store, went home, finished everything that I needed to finish. Now I'm dropping off this order. So far so good. And then take my passport photos, get something to cook, and yeah, love this for me. Why did I think I was recording this whole time? This whole freaking time. So anyways, just to backtrack on what I was saying before, I'm home and I'm cooking, and I was saying that I wanted to show you guys something that I recently purchased because I got one for Thanksgiving, but it barely worked for Thanksgiving dinner, and I tried to use it the other day and it wasn't working. So my oil is still sitting in it. This is it, and my oil is still sitting in it because it just for some reason won't connect. And my mom was like, girl, make we use the stove top, and somehow miraculously it ended up working. But yeah, so I wanted one because I'm like, shit, I already got used to, well, not used to because it only worked for one day, but I was like, I've always wanted to get myself a deep fryer. So the other day I went and I purchased myself a deep fryer. So that's what I was actually here just trying to unbox for you guys, but for some reason I thought I was recording when I wasn't. So this is it. My new baby. Oh God, why did I move that far? Okay. So yeah. So this is the deep fryer. Yeah? And this one comes with 3 baskets, so you get 2 smaller baskets and a bigger basket, so that's good. If I want to cook 2 different things at the same time, I have the option to do so with this, but today I am only using 1 big basket for my chicken and calling it a day. I'm really excited, you guys. I love house appliances, like, can't get enough. Okay, I'm gonna open this up now, or I the wrong house. Oh, wait.
work. Let me read the instructions because hi guys and welcome to Monday. How was your guys' Monday today? But first of all, I was looking for my camera all evening. I'm like, where is my camera? I had gotten a car from my cousin this weekend and this past weekend, and I thought I left it in there, and I was like fretting, and then I remembered I was frying chicken last night and I had the camera in the kitchen. It was, yeah, so I remembered eventually where it was. But anyways, it's almost 11 o'clock at night. I just finished showering. I'm about to eat. I just skipped the dish me some food. Skip the dish is equivalent to like Uber Eats. It's what we have here in Toronto. We have skip the dish. We have, I think we have Uber Eats, and we have what's the next one? There's a next one. Can't remember the name right now. I'll put it down on the screen if I remember it. But anyway, skip the dish is my go-to, even though I have to cost them at least once a week. But anyways, just ordered some Church's chicken from Skip the Dish. So I'm about to warm that up and have a quick bite. I think I should share out my lunch from now, just so I don't have to wake up in the morning time and do it. And to my surprise, I don't have any containers. I need to buy me some containers. That's what I need. Anytime I don't find anything, and it's so weird to me how I don't have stuff, because like I have stuff, so I don't get it. Like I don't know where all of my stuff is, so I'm just gonna scratch that. I'll just get something to eat for lunch tomorrow, because I really and truly cannot be bothered. I did not want Monday to pass and I did not talk to you guys. I basically was just cleaning all day, or all evening I should say. Went to the passport office this morning, you guys. Went to the passport office this morning. Reached there later than I wanted to reach there. There's a passport office open at 8:30, and I got there minutes to 9, and I couldn't get to renew my passport. And everybody that was in the line was looking to travel like really soon, and they were basically saying that people who are applying for their passports right now are not getting their passports back until like December or January. Whatever. So the man gave me something to go and book an appointment online, which I already had ended up doing yesterday, but I think I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to do it again and again and again until somebody calls me with an appointment, because my passport needs to be renewed ASAP. This is the only thing I hate COVID for, other than killing people and making processes longer than they need to be and more difficult now. I can't be bothered. So yeah, I'll probably figure something out in the morning in regards to lunch, but I can't do with that right now. But yeah, as I said, all I did today was basically try to get my room in order, because I could not find my laundry card to do laundry, and I also couldn't find my bus pass, which I had to end up buying, but I found it like a dingbat. It was in my pants pocket when I was doing laundry. So found my laundry pass so I can do laundry tomorrow evening when I come home. Thank God, because y'all, I don't even want to show you guys my laundry basket. But anyways, yeah,
was organizing some stuff a little bit, doing a little bit of like spring cleaning and stuff like that, throwing away like all this stuff. I'll show you guys more tomorrow. Like everything I'm just throwing away. Like if I have not worn it, like I have not done like a deep cleaning like this in a long time, and like it's been long overdue. I have too much things and I'm not wearing them. It doesn't make any sense. Either they can't, like, I don't need to be holding on to anything anymore. Like, no, let go and I'll get in new things. So that's what I'm doing right now. As I said, I just finished showering. I'm about to eat and then I'm gonna call it a night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I just did not want Monday to pass and I did not pick up the camera and say anything to you guys. I'm trying to do this vlogging thing, this weekly vlogging thing. I'm putting consistency in the atmosphere. I'm putting creativity in the atmosphere. I'm putting entertaining in the atmosphere. I am putting growth in the atmosphere. I'm putting brand deals, everything in the atmosphere, okay? So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye. You guys, so I'm home, right? Been home. It's Tuesday and hi, hey guys, how is your Tuesday going, you guys? I can't believe it's Tuesday. I'm about to go buy Toonie Tuesday. Okay, this video, well, not this video, but this part. I don't know how. Found these in the grocery store. Yeah. Okay, so I was gonna say this is gonna be like a favorites or like newfound loves, I guess, segment. Hold on, let me plug in mine. Let me get a light. Let me get a little. Let's get a little light going here. Okay. You guys can see me better now? Okay, hold on. Let me turn up my Is it too bright? Hold on. Let me turn up my brightness. Better, I think. Okay, welcome back. So, as I was saying, the chips. Yes, Smart Food. This is the flaming hot white cheddar, baby. Delicioso. Okay, so somebody that I know was doing laundry and they were using not traditional soap and detergent and stuff like that. That traditional, you know what I'm saying? They were using pods. So I now am addicted to using pods, you guys. And I found this bag of pods, 48. At my dollar store, Dollarama, for $4. They had this and they had, was it the Gain? I think it was the Gain, but the Gain only had like 14. This had 48. I'm like, baby, it's for my first buy, baby. So I am absolutely in love with pods. For those of you who don't know what pods are, my mom would be like, I want this, y'all. Me dashing on my clothes. That's exactly how she would respond. Joel would send me a message, a voice note, and he won't even let me listen to it because he'll call me as soon as he sends it. I don't understand. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna vlog. Just eat. What you get for eat? What you get for eat? What did you get? What did you get to eat? One AM so. You're so dumb. Goodbye. So this is what they look like, right? You just throw them into your machine. You just stop interrupting my video. You throw them into the machine. Bada boom, bada bing. It does its own thing. It dissolves everything, and yeah. And then I have the scent boosters. This is the bootleg one, again from the dollar store, $4, baby girl. These make your clothes just smell, oh my god, yum yum yum, delicioso. Like my clothes now, like the smell of my clothes, not that my clothes didn't smell good before, but there's just a different level of scent to my clothes now. Like I just love putting on my clothes now, like especially when I'm going to bed. Like the smell, oh, it just makes me feel so calming. And I don't know if it has to do with this flavor or this scent, I should say. It's berry blossom. I don't know if it has to do with that, but it just yeah. And then I think the pods scent is morning fresh, so really really good. So guys, as I was saying, that was that for laundry. So I'm currently doing laundry. My clothes are washing right now. And I got a package today, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But before I get to that package, I want to talk to you guys about something, okay? So, Goody got herself a little sponsorship, okay? So I want to big up Listen, I don't want to say it wrong, but I think it's Voosh. So they sent me this package, right? Your self-love journey starts now. So they're a company that's all about self-love, self-pleasure, all of that kind of stuff. And you guys know me being in a long-distance relationship, you know, sometimes get hard when rain start fall, when cold breeze start blow, and you know have nobody for hold you and touch you and all of them something. You know, oh, stop it nice. When you don't have nobody to hold, stop your noise, mute your phone. Sure. So yeah, if you don't have nobody for hold you and them something there, you know sometimes I get lonely and them something there, you know you need a little touch. They sent me this, and yeah, I have not tried it out yet, you guys. As you guys can see, it's literally still in the box, but I absolutely love the packaging and everything. Let me just tell you guys quickly about it. So I don't want to say too much because I don't want YouTube to flag my video, but the one that I have is called the Myth Next Generation, and they basically on it, oh, I forgot, I can show it to you. The secret is out because over here, baby, okay, we're not dry up over here, okay, all right. If we're not have a man for please, we have to figure out a way for please with self, right? True. So ladies, it is all about self-love, what them say, self-pleasure, all about those things. So when I try this out, I will let you guys know because okay, so let me I'm so excited. Joel is like, you're not using it. Me I use it. So it says, we're big believers that self-pleasure is the key to self-love, which is why Bush products are designed to make you feel good inside and out, and to empower you to embrace the brilliance of your body just the way it is. Why it'll be pure magic with Myth. For many, the spot is the stuff of legend. Myth is the perfect partner on your quest to find it. It's an incredible spot vibrationer that's powerful, full of good vibes. And you know, so we're full of good vibes over here, so don't it. So this one is for me. And ready for action with a magical, unique texture designed for intense sensations and a body fit curve to hit the spot. It's time to claim your power, explore your pleasure, and go down in history as your own hero. I can't wait to try it. Mommy, if you're watching this part of the video, exit off. This is not for your age group, okay? So it says powerful vibrations
for incredible sensations. Play how you like, designed for internal/external play. Mix and match vibes. 25 pleasure combinations. Oh my gosh. And you guys, I think it's also 100% waterproof, magnetic USB charging, medical grade silicone, and it is designed in Australia. So if you guys are into these, I will leave all of my information on how you guys can go ahead and purchase your own in the description box. Or if you guys want to wait to hear how this went, keep watching my videos so I give you guys updates, because I'm going to be updating you guys about this, okay? So you guys know I'm all about good girl everything, yeah? So anything that's good, me I go put on, all right? Yeah. And thank you, Bush, for sponsoring this video. Got good girl out sponsorship, you guys. We're moving on up. We're moving on up, baby. Okay. Then I got this package, right? Today. And I know what it is, but I'm like, why is it packaged like this? I don't understand. But anyways, I don't think I was supposed to do a whole unboxing video. But in case I am, let me not tear up the bag. Like tear it off. But I'm not gonna really go into depth and show you guys because I have to do a video. Ooh, these look mad high. Ooh, but they're shoes, you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys these ones because I gotta take pics and stuff. Okay, these don't look too bad. Okay, I'm gonna look at these off camera, but let me show you guys. Yes, I've always wanted a pair of sandals like this. I was even in Jamaica walking to, I think when I was buying this stuff for baby's birthday. I'm gonna see the man them have the style with them all and everything, and I was like, I have to come back and get a pair, and never ended up making it back into Kingston for them. But I always wanted a leather pair of sandals like this, you know, with like the cute toe. Yes, like I feel like this is like a Jamaican staple. I mean, I could go to Bridget's, but you know, yeah, really excited about these because I did get a pair or two pairs of leather slippers made in Jamaica, like custom slippers, and only one of them ended up fitting me somewhat. I don't know what happened with the measurements or whatever, but it just didn't work out for me. So yeah, I ended up even having to give one away to my sister the other day because it just didn't fit me and I was so upset, but whatever. So that's that for that. And then I went to the dollar store and I got some stuff because I'm going to be making some Halloween gift baskets, like a quick little flash sale. So I had to pick up some stuff for that. But I saw, where is it? I'm telling the lady didn't put it in here. I saw this. Oh my God, you guys. When I was a child, I always wanted my mom to buy me a Kinder Surprise. And I don't know, I don't feel like Kinder Surprises were $1 back then, because if they were $1, like why wouldn't your parents just buy it for you? Or was my mom just wicked? Because they're only $1 now. But anyways, I used to love getting these things. I don't know, this type of milk chocolate just always tasted different to me. Now, I'm not even a chocolate person, but this milk chocolate, they're not shiny anymore. They used to be shiny, now they're like more matte material. But let's see what we got. It's yellow! Yo, I used to love this stuff. Okay. Alright, so this is what I got. Let's build it together, guys.
it's app Play Do. I don't know what the heck that is, but I'm gonna download the app and play. Better believe it, baby. Okay. So one. Check the girl. Check this. Okay. Go so. Okay. So go so. So. And then. Oh. Duh. Okay. Anyways, y'all, look at my little toy. Anyhow, that's it for me. Play day is done. It wasn't as fun as I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. It's okay, girl. At least I can afford you now on my own. I don't need the assistance of my parents. Okay. Anyway, guys. I'm gonna relax. I'm probably gonna look something to eat while my clothes are drying. I'm gonna put it up here. People, my glue gun burned the hell out of me. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, it doesn't look like it's big or anything. It's not big, but it's deep. Like, my finger is sore. Oh, update. Passport people call me today. Can't get an appointment until November the 12th, guys. So, I hope I get my passport in time. I want to go away for my birthday. Fingers crossed it works out for me. I really do want to go away for my birthday. But yeah, hopefully it works out. I get everything that I need to get in time to go about my business. I will be kosher. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, the lady was even trying to say like, oh, end of December, beginning of December. End of November, beginning of December. I was like, excuse me? Absolutely not. No, ma'am. I had to lie and be like, look, I'm trying to travel in December. Baby girl. So, yeah. Anyhow, I think I'm going to take you guys on the road with me tomorrow because I have to go to mom's after work to go and fix her TV. I don't know what's wrong with my mom and TVs, but hey, gotta go help her fix her TV. She's crying about it right now because she can't watch her soap operas or nothing. But she has YouTube, so I don't know. But yeah, so there's that tomorrow. And yeah, that's all for today. Regular schmegular day. Gonna finish here, eating my chips, and call it a day. So until tomorrow, bye. Do I have anything else to tell you guys? No. Bye. Hey guys, it's Saturday, and don't mind how I look. My makeup is actually done. Ooh. But I'm getting ready to go to bed. I recorded a video today, I recorded a haul. Luckily my room don't look like it, and I am prepping to record another haul tomorrow, and I have some other branded content that I need to do videos for. So I made sure this weekend was a content creating weekend. The only thing I wasn't able to do or haven't done yet is take any pictures. Probably won't be able to do that tomorrow, but hopefully in the week my niece can come and help me take my pics. And yeah, but that is it for Saturday. It's like 10:25 right now, and I am going to go to sleep. I ordered some Chinese food. I hated how some of the stuff tasted, so I'm really disappointed. And I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm so tired, but I feel productive. And yeah, so I'm trying to record as much content as I can in the span of like a day or so, at like every week or so, so I have built up content. So hopefully that should help with me staying on track, so I'm not having to record my content every week and edit it every week to get it up every week and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this week's weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this week. I don't even remember everything that transpired this week, but yeah, I'm looking crazy. This is how you guys, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I look crazy. This is crazy. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's weekly vlog. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit subscribe. If you are returning because you already live here, please make sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video from me, because I don't know what it is lately, but I've been posting on YouTube and none of y'all be watching the videos, so I don't be understanding. Should I keep posting or no? Speak to me. Let me know, because I'll stop. Okay. Just kidding. I'm not stopping. But anyways, yeah. Notification bell. If I'm not here on YouTube, in order to stay connected with me, you guys, follow me on my other social media outlets. I am now on TikTok, so follow me, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. Until next time, love you guys. Bye. Outside.